Everyone was watching you move out of the beat, swerving in the streets to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were striding for them, 'cause you know just what you do.
이제는 어디까지 보다졌지 이제부터 다시 보면 되겠지 틀어놓을 테니까 영화를 넌 보면 먹을 맥주 한 캔 과자를 우리 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고 또 입을 맞추면서 다시 입을 맞추네 또 다시 입을 안으로 들어가 따뜻한 장판에 몸을 녹여 따뜻한 Baby I love you.
Guys, it's summer!
I'm so happy.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, she's still in her grad dress.
Yeah, I just finished grad promotion, whatever.
Yesterday when I was graduating.
Oh yeah, I should actually have clips of you graduating. Put them in right now. Picture me, put them in right now. Do it. We're at Main Street right now, and we're gonna get somi, which is ice cream, and then we're also gonna get
Wait, are we gonna get both?
I can't believe it's summer. Oh my god, I'm literally still in my grad dress. Okay, well, oh my god, I still can't believe it's summer. Okay, so story time. Our somi started overflowing, so then it got like really sticky and gross, and it was dripping all over our hands. So then
You should have seen it.
So then, yeah, it was actually so bad. I don't have a photo of it dripping because, you know, we were desperate, but I do have a photo of afterwards, so I can put that in somewhere right now. But then we got desperate and we ran to Tancha, where she had to get her brother a drink. And then we scarfed down our somis in order to have it not overflow anymore. And I think we finally have it under control. And because we just couldn't resist, Edie got a super fruit tea for us. And it's so good, it's so good, it's so good. Okay, so I got a super fruit tea too because I needed one for myself. Yeah. Thank you. We're now playing a game of chess. We don't need to announce to the whole internet who won, so we're just gonna finish.
Yeah, I'm gonna say winners.
Ain't how it works. Where the hell is it? Just like me. I was a Hey guys, it's the next day now and we have Chipotle. It's right there.
I call you pretty, but it never goes to plan. You think it's funny, I'm just trying to be a man. I wanna show you in the best way that I can that I'm so in love with you. Try to be serious, but you can never tell. It isn't easy to confess how hard.
Different days, same clothes. Don't worry about that. Me and BD are going to walk to Starbucks and Trader Joe's again, and this is a very much spring break thing for us. Fit check. Dress is from Hollister. Shoes are Nike AF1s, but they're like different. Okay, go.
This, I don't know where it's from. These jeans, actually I have no idea either, but it's okay. This is my grandma's closet, it's Coach. This
Okay, just say
Converse-
Coach from now on because people might think my grandma's closet is a brand.
Oh my gosh, okay. Yeah, the bow is from,
Amazon?
no, it's like, you know those
Ribbon, right?
No, yeah, the ribbon's from you know, like when like my dad gets those really expensive wines with like the free red bows.
Oh,
okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done here. Okay.
Not try to cross all the lines that we've always had between you and I. The suit, it
if I'm just a friend to you.
We are fascinated because there used to not be water over there, but they put the water back on. So now,
Not you like swerving it around. It's just funny.
now we're like going to go check it out because yeah.
Ooh, it's all blue.
Going just as fast as mine.
Thank you.
'Cause I could be your guide. I see you by my side.
Beatty got her digital camera for the London trip.
Yay.
Oh, by the way, we're going to London. I don't think you
why
guys know
is
that.
it teal? Okay. I hope it's just the cover because
Yeah,
I
think
got
it's-
pink.
I think it's just the box.
Okay. Reveal.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
So cute. They're like cute.
Very cute. Okay, me and Beatty are baking sugar cookies. Also, look at my scrumptious pimple patch.
Have fun editing this.
Save me.
How's it go though? I can't sing that high now. My voice is broken. See, it just cuts out. Anyway.
Guys, so this is flour, baking powder, and butter, and we don't really how many cookies this recipe makes.
This much.
This is so hilarious. Oh my
Like,
god, we're screwed. Okay.
I'm supposed to mix this together. Bro. I'm gonna crush it, but I can't even break it in half. Why am I feeling vertically?
Look, I'm recording on her digital camera. Look how cute it is. Oh, this is my phone.
But maybe I'm just blind. Or maybe I'm too serious. I try to keep it in my head, but it isn't really going out. Feeling like I gotta meditate, but I can't escape. And now I hate myself, I hate my thoughts. We're thinking about you and I'm thinking a lot. Cause I'm never around you.
Hello, I'm about to go get noodles with Beatty, but this is the fit check. This is from Nike. My shirt is from Uniqlo. It's just Lotso. And then my jeans are from Target. You're going to see it, so.
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood. That's how the road sold in.
It's been a good week since I've seen you touch water, Beatty.
Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone,
Chicken's here.
so I'm gonna try
Okay.
hard
I'll pick it up.
to prove you wrong. Moving in the beat, cause swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were striding for them, cause I know just what you do.